Hello and welcome to Golden Lucy Crafts. In this video I will show you how to crochet a Romanian cord. In the video I am using medium weight number 4 yarn and 5mm crochet hook. You are welcome to use different yarn or thread depending on the purpose of your cord. Please note that it is important not to crochet too tight. To begin, we will make a slip knot and then we will make a chain of 3. Insert hook into second and third chain from the hook. Yarn over and draw a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw yarn through those 2 loops. Turn your work away from you. Insert hook under these 2 strands. Yarn over, draw a loop through those 2 strands. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw loop through 2 remaining loops on the hook. Turn work away from you. Insert hook under these 2 strands. If you have trouble inserting your hook under these 2 strands, it means that you are crocheting too tight. Yarn over, draw a loop through these 2 strands. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw loop through 2 remaining loops on the hook. Continue repeating these steps. Turn work away from you. Insert hook under 2 strands. Yarn over. Draw a loop through those 2 strands. Yarn over and draw a loop through 2 remaining loops on the hook. That's it. That's how I crochet a Romanian cord. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy crocheting!